In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the previous year to date, or PYTD, in Power BI using DAX. Understanding how to accurately compute this measure is crucial for analyzing past performance compared to the current year. So, let's dive into it. To get started, it's important to set a solid foundation. Ensure you've got a date or calendar table that's been properly configured. This table should be linked to your data and marked explicitly as a date table in Power BI. Having this in place ensures that any date-based calculations, like year-to-date measures, function correctly. Next, you'll need a measure for your current year-to-date, often abbreviated as YTD. Let's say you want to measure sales year-to-date. You would construct a DAX formula that looks like this. Sales YTD equals calculate, followed by the sum function for your orders, specifically targeting the sales column. Then, you'll apply the dates YTD function to your date table's date column. This formula helps accumulate your sales from the start of the year up to the current date. Now that we have our current YTD function set up, we can move on to calculating the previous year to date, or PYTD. The goal here is to use the same date range as the current YTD, but shift it back by 1 year. To do this in DAX, you'll create a measure like so, sales PYTD, which equals calculate, specifying your sales YTD measure. Next, incorporate the same period last year function and again, point it to your date table's date column. This function is crucial because it instructs Power BI to use the same period from the previous year. In practical terms, if today is July 1st, 2023, the same period last year function allows you to seamlessly roll back the dates to July 1st, 2022, ensuring you're comparing like-for-like periods. A helpful tip while working with date-sensitive calculations: be mindful of today's date and its impact on your YTD and PYTD measures, especially at the start of a new fiscal period. If your organization follows a fiscal year differing from the calendar year, ensure that your date table reflects this. You may need additional date intelligence functions to accommodate fiscal calendars beyond traditional January to December cycles. It's always a good practice to thoroughly test your PYTD measure to ensure accuracy. By doing this, you'll gain insights into performance trends and identify patterns that could inform strategic decision-making. By applying these steps, you'll be well on your way to gaining deeper historical insights into your data with Power BI. Remember, understanding past performance relative to the current year can drive valuable business insights and influence future strategies. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial informative. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks.